Hey, what's up guys, here. Welcome to my channel. So recently I bought the 2018 iPad 6th generation with the Apple Pencil to replace my laptop completely, and pretty much nowadays I'm using the iPad for everything, for video editing, for photo editing, for uploading to YouTube, and pretty much everything, gaming and stuff. So these are top 5 of my favorite apps on the iPad. So let's get started. I have my iPad with the best case I have ever seen. You can check the link in the description box below to buy that, and the Apple Pencil that can be used as a stylus as well. And I'm also recording the screen here so you can see the app when I'm using it. So the first favorite and the best app here is Pocket. It's a free app. It can be available in every device like Android, iPhone, and iPad, and I think even there is a web version also. So what is basically a link storage device or a video storage device. It will basically, when you share it, I'll show you how to use it. When you Google something, just a minute. When you Google something, when you go to iPhone, let's say, and you click the share sheet and click the Pocket, it will you can view the saved thing, and when you open the Pocket app, you can see that website. So when you don't have time to look at that website at the moment, you can save it later, or you can download a video. Even I have downloaded many videos to watch later because I don't have interest or I don't have time, but I know it will be useful for me, so I will just store in the Pocket app and I'll just watch it later. So this is the #1 app for me. The second favorite app of mine is called Documents by readdle, and it's one of the greatest apps I think I have seen for an iPad in the App Store. So many people recommended it. Even I have used it. This is a fully fledged file system. Currently I'm running the public beta of the iPad OS, but if you are on the iOS 12, the Files app isn't good enough, so you can just download the Documents app, which is a full-fledged file system. So you can view your documents. You can save anything. You can save zipped files, and you can unzip or compress them or uncompress them. You can view your photo albums here. You can connect to a flash drive with the public beta, iOS public beta. You can connect it to the hard drive or something, and flash drive. So you can share it to this. And this is my audio of a video. And another thing that I like about this app is that there is a thing called a computer here. So when you go to on your computer, when you want to share something wirelessly from your laptop to the iPad, you can go to docstransfer.com, and you can scan the code or type the code there, and you can just transfer directly without any cable through Wi-Fi. So when I have a video, when I record a video, I generally upload it to my laptop because I don't have an adapter for the SD card here for the iPad, and I just use my laptop to send the video from the laptop to the iPad and edit here. So that's the use of Documents app. That's a really good app if you use it to the full potential. I don't use it to the full potential, but if you use it to the full potential, it will be incredible app. And the next app I'm going to show you is To-Do List. So the To-Do List is a task manager app, and you can to-do list, basically the name means to-do list, so you can add to-do lists. So you can add how many you want. Like I'll just add a thing. It has a good typing recognition, so you can do like go outside today. So it will save the tasks today, and it will show you at the today list here. today at you can say like 7 p.m. so it will you'll get the reminder at 7 p.m. today. And you can also create groups like studies, work, personal health, things to watch and listen. That's what I've created. So if you want to add anything, you can add anything, and if you want to add any task to that folder or group, you can just type hash and you can select something. So studies something you can do just like that, and you get the inbox, and you can get daily tasks and next 7 days tasks, and you can click the studies, work, personal health, and you can view them all. And this is a really productive app for me. I use this for everything that I do, like I store everything that I want to do there, so it's really good app. Number 4 app that I want to show is my video editing app of choice, LumaFusion. So LumaFusion is a full-fledged video editing app for iOS, iPadOS even. So this is a fully fledged video editor. It costs about 1600 rupees. Firstly I thought it was expensive, but it was, considering it was a full-fledged video editor for iPad, I just bought it. So I have edited my past video, like the iPad case with this app. And you can use one advantage about this is you can use the Apple Pencil as a stylus here. I'm using it as a stylus to scrub through, or to cut it like that, and to undo it. You can use many tools here. I don't use it as a full potential. I will show the B-roll if you want. I'm basically editing every video on this channel, on this iPad, with the LumaFusion. So this is a very powerful this is a very powerful app. It can support 4K video editing as well. It can support up to 3 videos simultaneously, 4K videos, but I record it in 1080p. It has no problem. It flies through the editing app, flies through the video, flies through the editing app, and the export times are insane. They are just like 20 seconds or something. When I used to edit on my laptop, it used to take about half an hour or 1 hour or even 2 hours to export the video. So this is a complete game changer for many users who want to edit their videos and photos on their iPad itself. So the last app I want to share with you guys is the GoodNotes app. So GoodNotes is a writing app for students, note-taking app for students. I have written many notes on it, not only just studies, but many different things like YouTube, what I have learned, Untitled notebook. There are many notebooks, To-Do List. I have even I write a journal on this. So this is a note-taking app, and you have bunch of very good features on that, and very responsive. It is very responsive app. So click subscribe. So you can write anything. You can zoom, you can highlight it, you can erase it. These are the handwritten notes I have written neatly when I had time about thermodynamics. So yeah, it's a really good app, and you can back it up to your Google Drive or iCloud, and you can save all these notes in any device. So these are the top 5 apps for me on the iPad, and I want to create it as a series about the apps. I want to create a video about top 5 apps every week or every month, so that you can get value from it. So if you want to watch them, click the subscribe and click the notification bell, so that you can get the updates when I upload a video. and I will surely upload the videos regularly. Sorry for that. And click the like button if you like the video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And thank you so much for watching. Peace.